If Free Fire Max is not opening on your phone, here are the most effective fixes shared by real players online. First, long press the Free Fire Max and select App Info and select Storage and Cache option. And now tap on Clear Storage and select Delete. After that, restart the game. For many players, this fixed the issue instantly. If your game isn't updated, it often won't open. Just open the Play Store and search Free Fire Max. Select the Free Fire Max. In here, if you have update option, then update the game, and once it finishes, the game usually launches normal. If you are using a VPN or DNS app, turn it off. Changing regions can block the game from opening. Disable the VPN and try again can fix the problem. Next, go to settings, go to apps, select see all apps. In here, search Google Play Services, tap it and select tap on storage and cache. Select clear cache option. A corrupted Play Services cache can stop Free Fire Max from launching. If this doesn't fix your problem, then open Play Store and select the profile icon and select manage apps and device and select update available. In here you can select the update all option and update all the applications. People on Reddit said Google Chrome and Android system WebView update can fix crash problem. If that didn't work, try this next fix. This one sounds strange, but it works for some people. Go to settings and scroll down and go to system and select language. And if you have any extra language other than English United States, then click on the three dot icon next to it and select remove option and select remove. And make sure your device is selected English United States, and then open the game, and if it works you can switch back later. If nothing else works, then hold the Free Fire Max and select app info and select uninstall option and select OK. After the game uninstall done, restart your phone just by hold the power button and select the restart option and restart your phone, and then go to Play Store, search Free Fire, select the install option and install it guys. This refreshes all corrupted game files. These steps worked for lots of people on Reddit. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.